Hi everyone, welcome to MK Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a bootable USB pen drive using Rufus. Open any browser, which one you want, and search for Rufus. And you will see the official site of Rufus and select this one. And scroll down a little bit, and you will see the download link, which is in 64-bit, and click on download button. And open new tab and search for Windows 10 ISO file. And you will see the Microsoft official site and click on the first link. Scroll down to find the download now button. And now insert the pen drive into your computer or any laptop, and make sure the pen drive doesn't contain any important files, as it will be formatted during the process. And now open the Rufus application. Ensure your pen drive is selected in the device drop down. Under the boot selection, click select and browse to the location of your download ISO file. Select the file and click open, and change the partition scheme to MBR. Customize the volume level if you like, and leave the other settings as default. Hit the start button. Warning will open that all data on the pen drive will be erased. Click OK to confirm. Rufus will begin the process of creating your bootable pen drive. This takes a few minutes on your system performance. Wait a minute. Once the process is complete, click the close button and check your pen drive to ensure it is now bootable or not. And that's it. You are successfully created a bootable USB pen drive using Rufus. Now you can use it to install or repair Windows on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.